Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to use shape tool for CorelDRAW beginners. On this my channel, if you are not be following me, try and follow me because I'll be teaching how to do a lot of things with CorelDRAW and with Photoshop. You're going to learn a lot of things on my channel. Now let's design a little simple logo design. Okay, draw a circle and now draw a block on top of it. You see, and you can highlight all of them, and you see word here. I wrote word, here is trim. Trim is cutting it into two. I want to cut it into two, but word is the word merging them together. For example, you just click word, you see, but this is not what I want. I want to trim it apart, trim apart to cut the circle. See, and click on the rectangle and delete. You see, now you pick on your shape tool, this shape tool, select your shape tool, you come here, right click and click on to curve, because I want to give it a little curve shape. You come here and drag it up, because once you click you see this two arrow, it will just appear. You drag it up, drag this one down, you see, and click on your pick tool. Then anyone you finish doing, you just click on your pick tool so it will not scatter your work. You can give it any color of your choice. You see, and come here and right click to remove the outline. This is what they call outline. Let me zoom it. You see this black stuff here? Once you right click here, to just disappear to make your work neat. Okay, good. You click on the object, hold Ctrl key and drag it down. If you want to leave it, when you want to leave it, just right click to duplicate it like this and click on middle to rotate. You see? And this is our logo. You can select this one and give it any color of your choice depending on your how you want it to be. Let me just give it magenta color or pink color. You see? Just give it pink color. Yeah. Okay. Now you group it. Group, highlight and group. Or you can click on this whole shift and select this one. It says select group. Now let's just give it a name, company name, as the case may be. Starlink company. Increase the little bit. Come here. Give it simple fonts. Can broaden it if you want. See? Now let's give the background a little bit design. A little bit design to beautify the work. Okay. This is it. And this is it. Okay guys, this is what you have. This is what you got here. Okay, it's a minor simple logo design. Minor simple logo design. Simple logo design. So you can follow me on my channel. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, like, because I'll be dropping a lot of updates. With time you learn graphic design. I'll be entering into flyer design, how to design flyers from the beginning to the end of it, how to do editing, how to manipulate images, a lot of things. All you need to do is just follow me, like and share to meet up. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like. God bless.